Eating food is nourishment to the body, but cooking food is nourishment to the soul. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I would like to take you all to the very known Nawabo ka Sheher, Lucknow. Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, was historically known for the Awadhi region. So, let me enlighten your mind with the very known dish of the Awadhi cuisines, which is the Galauti kabab. Galauti kabab is mainly made up of minced meat, but I'm going to make a vegetarian version of it with boiled and mashed rajmas. The following ingredients are for the recipe is boiled and mashed rajmas, gram flour, cloves powder, cumin powder, cashew nut powder, cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, red chili powder, grated onion, chopped green chilies, ghee, ginger garlic paste, salt, lime juice, freshly chopped coriander leaves. In a pan, take a little bit of ghee. Add grated onion to it. Cook it till nice. Add ginger garlic paste to it. The onions are nicely browned. Put up the flame and let it cool down. Now let's just start mixing all the other ingredients. Rajma mince, cloves powder, cumin seed powder, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, cashew nut powder, red chili powder, some chopped green chilies, coriander leaves, for binding 2 to 3 spoons of gram flour powder, salt to taste, also the onion and the garlic goes in. Now mix all the ingredients nicely. If you feel the mix is very soft, you can add some extra gram flour powder to it. Add 1 spoon lime juice to it and again mix it well. The mix is ready. Now shape them in a flat rounds. Are ready to fry. Take a little bit of ghee to fry the kebabs. Now place the kebab on the tawa. Let them cook on a low flame. Flip them over. Now you can see you'll get a beautiful golden brown color. Put off the flame. So the kebabs are ready to plate. So the kebabs are ready. So guys, try this at your home and feel the Nawabi taste. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.